tok kecang, bala gendir tos blong, angen kacang sapariuk kosong. Oh, hello guys, come on, follow me. Tok kecang, bala gendir tos blong, angen kacang sapariuk kosong. Your voice was very good, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name Hafiz Fadlurrohman from SMPT Al-Multazam 2. Guys, have you ever made a big mistake that even the sky wanted to cry? I hope no, right? So here I have the story that sky cried and made a whole lake. Do you want to know? If you want to know, come on, please sit back, relax, and listen to the story of Lagawana. Long time ago, in West Java, there was a kingdom, and the kingdom was ruled by a king named Prabu. He was a kind and wise king, but it was a pity that Prabu and his queen hadn't got any children. The queen often cried. Then the king said, "Be patient, honey. I will go to the jungle and pray to God every day, begging for a child," said the king. One day, Prabhu went to the jungle. Arrived there, he sat on the stone and started to pray. "Oh my God, you have given everything for me, but until now, you haven't given me a child. So please, show me and my wife your miracle," said the king. After a few days, Prabhu went back to home. A few months later, Queen got pregnant. Prabhu and Queen were very happy. "Thanks God, you have granted my prayer. We will have a child," said the king happily. 9 months later, a princess was born. Queen and the king loved their beautiful daughter so much. They took care of her and they gave whatever she wanted. But it made Princess turn into a very spoiled girl. One day, the princess celebrated her 17th birthday party. Many people gathered in the palace. Then, Prabhu had prepared a special gift for his daughter. What is it, guys? It's a beautiful necklace which was made from gold and jewel. Is this beautiful? Sure, this is very beautiful. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday for my doctor, happy birthday to you. Yay! Today is your birthday, my doctor. May God always bless you. So, I give you this necklace. Please wear this necklace. What? Are you kidding me, father? It's very ugly. I'm crazy. It's impossible for me to wear it. Can you give anything except this necklace? I like it. Then she threw the necklace. Beautiful necklace was broken. Gold and jewels was spread out on the floor. Everybody was very shocked. Prabhu was very sad and mad to his daughter. "How dare you, my doctor? What are you doing? I'm very disappointed in you. We love you, but you hurt our hearts," said the king with full of madness. Everybody was very shocked and sad. He began crying too. Suddenly, there was a miracle. The thunder came, followed by rain. Earth was crying. A spring emerged from the ground. It made a pool of water. Nowadays, people call the lake as Telaga Warna. So, the moral value from this story is, we have to respect to our parents. Oh, before I close my story, I have rhyming for you guys. Walking gently on morning dew. Sunrise paint the sky so blue. So respect in all you do. Honor your parents, kind and true. Thank you very much for attention. I'm sorry for my mistake. My name Hafiz Fadlurrohman. Want to take my life. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.